Learning a tech skill does not matter. What matters is your ability to land a high-paying job after learning a tech skill. In this video, I'll share with you a strategy that will help you to land a high-paying job after learning a tech skill. Most people, what they do is after using 3 to 6 months to learn a high income skill, they start applying for jobs, and there are always two outcomes that result from applying for job immediately after learning a tech skill. Okay, for some categories of person that start applying for job, they will end up getting this job, yeah, but they will not have the ability and the experience or what it takes to keep the job, or they will get fired after 1 month or 2 months in the job. While another category of persons, they will apply for job, they will apply for job in many places, but they will not be able to get a job because they don't have the ability to defend, they don't have what it takes to defend on the skill they have learned, they don't have portfolio, they don't have experience, and companies are looking for individuals with experience, individuals that have done what they claim that they know. So this group of persons, they end up getting frustrated because they are unable to earn with the skill that they learned. And once they are frustrated, they end up giving up. And once they give up, they end up not living their dream life. As a young person, one of your goals is to live your dream life. And all these things result will lead them into poverty, and it complicates the whole issue. Yeah, but if you are a young person, or if you are a professional that want to transition into tech, and you are planning to start learning a tech skill, you need to listen to this video before starting that program. Or if you are currently learning a tech skill, this video is for you. Or if you have learned a tech skill and you are here to get a job, you need to listen to this video and apply everything that I'll share in this strategy. All right, before I get started to share the strategy and how it works, hit the subscribe button, subscribe to this channel, like this video, and let's get started. The strategy is called the ladder strategy. It is a strategy that will help you to learn a tech skill. It will help you to secure a job, and it will help you to maintain the job, and also get the needed benefit that you are supposed to get from a job. The first part of the strategy is personal portfolio. Now, learning a tech skill is very good, yeah, but it is not sufficient. It's necessary but not sufficient. It is the first step in earning online. If you want to make money online, the first step that you are usually told is to learn a skill. That is fantastic, it's good. Yeah, but after learning a tech skill, the next thing you need to do is to create personal portfolio with the skill that you have learned. For example, if you are a machine learning expert, let's say you learned machine learning, let's say you learned data science and machine learning on Learn, and after learning, the next thing is to use the skill. Okay, I believe one of the skill is your ability to use Python to analyze, to create and develop machine learning model. Use that skill to create personal portfolio. You can go to different platform online and search for data sets, come up with a project for yourself, and build project. Now, this project will become your personal portfolio. Okay, so there are two things, there are two important or two benefits that you derive from building personal project. The first benefit is it will help you to hone your skill, and the second benefit is that it will develop your competence, and it will help you to create a portfolio. This step is important and do not skip it. So the second step is create content around the personal project. Now, learning a tech skill is good. Creating personal portfolio or building personal portfolio is super. But the next step is to create content and share this content online. Now, I believe most times you have seen people, individuals that want to learn a skill, and they are learning a skill, and they are also creating content online, sharing it with different people so that people can track their progress, what they are doing. It is the same approach, it is the same strategy, it is the same technique. Now, you have learned a tech skill, you are building personal project. Why don't you record videos or create content around the project that you are building? Okay, for example, if you are building a machine learning model that will help to detect a disease or an epidemic, then you should be able to create a video that will talk about the problem that you are trying to solve with the project. That will talk about the tools you are going to use. That will talk about the end product, which is the analysis or the model that you will build to this. Whatever model that it is, whatever output it is that you come up with, you should create videos around them or create content. It could be textual, it could be video from. Now, after creating this content, share it online. Share it on your WhatsApp status, share it on IG, share it on X, share it on LinkedIn, share it on YouTube. Now, why is this important? Okay, this is one of my stories. My first job, I got my first job on Instagram. Okay, I was building a project. I was writing content about the project, and I that was what connected me to my first client or my first employer. The content you create and share online to create the job that you need. So this is also very, very important. So the next step or the next element in the ladder strategy is to apply for internship. The purpose of internship is that internship will help you to understand how work is done in a corporate setting. It will help you to network with individuals or professionals in your field. It will help you to create a relationship that you can fall back to in the future. So this is important. Now, when applying for this internship, don't expect that this internship will be paid. It does not necessarily need to be paid. It could either be paid or free. Now, but the goal is for you to, for you to understand it, for you to learn how work is done in the corporate setting. Is for you to network and make friends and have something to rely on in the future. Have professional networking community. Okay, so this is important. Now, if you're able to play your game very well, if you're able to solve problems during your internship period, most of these companies will end up retaining you. You end up securing a high-paying job, and these companies could be international companies, and it could also be domestic companies. This is super important, and don't skip it. So the next element in the ladder strategy is freelancing. Freelancing is one of the easiest or straightforward ways to make money on the internet or to make money online. What you need to do is at this stage you've learned the skill. Okay, you've built personal project and you have a portfolio already. Okay, you have done internship and you have experience. Now all these are your assets. These asset package it and apply on different freelance platforms. You have international freelance platform and have domestic freelance platform. Search online and you apply on this platform. At Expert, one of the things we do is we look for your experience. Okay, we look at your experience, we look at for your skill set. Once you have this and you can prove it, then you can easily get a job at Expert. And for you to keep getting a job at Expert, you need to prove. Okay, you need to prove after doing only one or two projects. You need to prove that you are good. And once you are good, you keep getting job from Expert from our ecosystem. Okay, that is important, and you can get job from different platforms, different freelance platform. Okay, so at this stage, the next step, this will now lead you to the next step, which is the last step in this strategy: applying for high-paying job. Now, there are high-paying job everywhere, but it is not for everybody. It is for people that are ready. It is for people that have built the asset, job attraction asset. In this case, it's for people that have learned skill. It's for people that have built that have portfolios. It is for people that have experience. Now, what you need to do in order for you to land a high-paying job, is for you to create your profile on LinkedIn. Then go to LinkedIn jobs and apply for. Now search for jobs that suit your skill set, that suit your experience. Apply for this job, go for the interview, and perform very well. Now, in doing the interview, make sure you show them what you have done, show them the experience you have. Now, in most cases, you will end up landing the job. Most time, these jobs are international jobs that will pay you in dollars, and it may even require you to work remotely. Okay, if it is most time, if it is international jobs, you don't need to go on site. You just need to get a job, prove that you can do it, and you work remotely. Then there are other domestic companies that will pay you very well, but make sure that you are able to defend what you know and prove to them, show them that this is what you know and this is what you have done. If you find this video very helpful, kindly hit the subscription button, subscribe to this channel, like and comment. There's a video on top of this channel. The video talk about the high income tech skill that you can learn, and if you learn this tech skill, you'll be in high demand.